Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to day 15 of the 24 ways to use ChatGPT in 24 days from Evolve EdTech. My name is Tristan, and if we haven't met before, thank you so much for joining us today. Today, we're going to bring you another fantastic way that you can use ChatGPT. And today, it's for our scientists, our science teachers. Before we jump into sharing that, I do just want to remind you, if you haven't done so, make sure that you head over to the Evolve EdTech Facebook page, or you check out Evolve EdTech on TikTok to go and watch and see the previous episodes from this particular series to see what other tips that you might be able to gain so that you can use ChatGPT even more effectively as a teacher. Well, let's get started and go and explore day 15 and have a look at how we can help our science teachers with ChatGPT in the classroom. Number 15, science experiments. Have you ever considered that you can use ChatGPT to generate a list and create some wonderful, safe science experiments that you could use with your students to generate that love of science, to generate that love of exploration within the world? Well, that's right. You can do that with ChatGPT, and it is so simple and so easy. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to generate and create some activities where students look at various reactions using household substances, things that we can find at home, making sure that obviously these are safe and appropriate. You can also ask ChatGPT to propose some experiments for looking at various things such as physics and chemistry. ChatGPT can create some wonderful activities, some wonderful experiments that you can use with your students today. And just like we always remind you, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. And you must exercise caution when you're using ChatGPT. Check the output from your prompts and make sure that they are accurate. Validate the information before you use it with your students, your colleagues, or your school community. Make sure it's right for your context. Make sure it's right for your students, and make sure it is accurate. It's important that we demonstrate these skills when we're using ChatGPT ourselves with our students. Well, there we go. Another fantastic way to use ChatGPT in the classroom if you're a science teacher. It can provide you and it can generate a list of fantastic activities that you could use with your students to foster that love of science. Well, don't forget to join us again tomorrow for day 16 of the 24 ways to use ChatGPT in 24 days from Evolve EdTech. My name is Tristan. It has been so wonderful having you with us again today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Until then, everybody, stay safe.